Ever wonder how some things are made? Well, let's take a look at a very popular item in history. And if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to my channel for more informative and entertaining videos. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified when a new How Is It Made video is published. Thanks for watching. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Cheez Whiz is more than just a spread. It's a piece of culinary history. Is it cheese? That's up for debate. Is it a beloved treat? Without a doubt. This bright orange, gooey delight has been a staple on our tables for generations. But have you ever paused mid-snack and wondered, how is this nostalgic treat made? Get ready because we're about to uncover the cheesy, wonderful world of Cheez Whiz. Okay, ingredient list time. Don't be scared. We're diving into the world of Cheez Whiz. And it's going to be quite the journey. Cheez Whiz is basically a cheese product, meaning it starts with real cheese. We're talking cheddar, folks. Good old sharp cheddar. But that's not all. This isn't just any cheddar. It's sharp cheddar, known for its bold and tangy flavor. To get that signature smooth texture, you need some whey, milk, and milk fat. These ingredients are essential for creating that creamy consistency we all love. Whey, a byproduct of cheese making, adds protein and smoothness. Milk and milk fat contribute to the rich, velvety texture. Think of them as the peacekeepers of the cheese world. They keep everything copacetic. Without these ingredients, the cheese would be a lumpy mess. They ensure that every bite is as smooth as the last. And of course, we can't forget the salt, flavorings, and those magical emulsifiers. Salt enhances the flavor while the flavorings give Cheez Whiz its unique taste. Emulsifiers are the unsung heroes, keeping the cheese and oils from separating. They're the reason Cheez Whiz can hang out in a jar on your shelf for months without staging a revolt. These ingredients work together to ensure that Cheez Whiz remains shelf-stable, ready to be enjoyed whenever you crave that cheesy goodness. Now, the fun part. This is where the magic happens, and you get to see how Cheez Whiz is made from start to finish. Making Cheez Whiz is like a finely choreographed cheese ballet. Bear with me here. Every step is crucial and perfectly timed. It all starts with the cheddar. High-quality cheddar cheese is the foundation of this delicious product. It's shredded, cooked, and mixed with the other dairy superheroes, whey, milk, and milk fat. These ingredients are carefully measured and combined. This is where the emulsifiers step in, making sure everything plays nicely together. They help to create that smooth, creamy texture we all love. Imagine them as the conductors of this cheesy orchestra, ensuring a smooth, homogeneous mixture. Without them, the cheese would be a lumpy mess. This concoction is then heated, blended, and voila! The heating process is essential to achieve the perfect consistency. You've got yourself that iconic liquid gold. It's then poured into jars, sealed, and ready to be enjoyed by cheese lovers everywhere. Inside the cheese factory, where the magic and machines whirl. Picture this giant stainless steel vats filled with bubbling molten cheese. Conveyor belts whisk away jars ready to be filled with that glorious orange goo. It's a symphony of churning, mixing, and pumping, all in the name of cheesy goodness. The factory floor is a mesmerizing dance of machinery and molten cheese, a testament to modern food technology. Think Willy Wonka, but with less chocolate and more processed cheese. A whiz through time. Fun facts and cheesy history. Did you know Cheez Whiz was invented in 1953? That's right, folks. This American classic is older than sliced bread. Well, almost. It was originally marketed as a way to use up leftover cheese. Talk about resourceful. And during World War II, it was even included in soldiers' rations. Now that's what I call patriotic cheese. Forever Whiz, the enduring appeal of a processed icon. So, there you have it. Cheez Whiz, a staple in many households, has managed to carve out a unique place in the world of snacks. Cheez Whiz might not be the most natural food on the planet, but it's undeniably delicious. Its creamy texture, cheesy flavor, and versatility make it a favorite for many. Whether it's spread on a cracker, poured over nachos, or used as a dip, and undeniable convenience have earned it a permanent spot in our hearts and on our snack shelves. It's not just a snack, it's a symbol of comfort and nostalgia for many. It's a testament to the power of ingenuity and the ability to create something that resonates with people across generations, and the enduring love affair between humans and processed cheese. From its humble beginnings to its iconic status today, Cheez Whiz has become more than just a food item. It's a cultural phenomenon. So next time you twist open a jar of this orange wonder, remember the journey it has taken to get to your table. Take a moment to appreciate the science, history, and innovation that have gone into creating this beloved product, and sheer cheesy goodness packed inside. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the joy that food can bring. It's a true American original, a testament to creativity, and a beloved icon in the world of processed foods. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell notification icon, so you will be notified as soon as I publish another cool video on how things are made. Thanks again for watching.